What's up guys, today I'm making another video in IKEA and I'm going to show you around, so let's begin another video. Like and subscribe and have a nice day. Look at this here. Yo, it's like a jungle in my version. Damn. Yo, I was just talking to my mom by the way, but look at this. This is where everyone in the SCP-3000 survives. They just climb up and they build their base up there. That's cool. Look at these materials I can survive for the day. Oh. Look at the big sausage there. That's a vegetarian sausage. Ugh. I don't like vegetarian. Oh, I don't know. Oh, look at this place. This place is sick. Look at it. Yo. Let's take the one. Okay. We're going over there. There. I'm just gonna go a little faster. And there. Okay. So we're here. We're gonna go eat, by the way, so that's gonna be cool. I'm gonna rate the food on my YouTube short. So bye bye, mate. Bye bye. Have a nice day.